Right, so there's my CNC machine bought from China at a cost of around 70k. The PC that I drive the machine with, the machine came installed with a NC Studio that I couldn't get to work, so I've decided to switch over to Bach 3. I had to build in a new breakout board. Just a quick idea, the one with all the shiny lights at the bottom. So now I've hooked everything up and we want to check whether this works. So let's first check if the x-axis is working, y-axis and the z-axis. That looks fine. Let's load some G-code and see whether we can get the machine to run. Now Mach 3 comes with leaked G-code on it. So let's take the Roadrunner, loaded the G-code. As we can see, there's a profile that the machine needs to follow. So let's see if we can make it run. That actually will trace from the 0 position. And let's see if the machine follow the path. As we can see, the machine works nicely. Feed rates is fine. And there the machine moves exactly as the outline indicate. This Roadrunner is a